Color is everywhere. We see it in nature, in our homes and in the clothes we wear. But have you ever considered that color might have the power to heal? This is the basic idea behind chromotherapy, a holistic healing modality that uses the energy of color to promote balance and well-being. Also known as color therapy or light therapy, chromotherapy is based on the understanding that different colors vibrate at different frequencies, and these frequencies can impact our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Throughout history, cultures across the globe have recognized the therapeutic potential of color. From the ancient Egyptians to the traditional healers of India and China, color has played a vital role in healing practices for centuries. In this exploration of chromotherapy, we will delve into the history, science, and practical applications of this fascinating field, uncovering the profound ways in which color can influence our lives. The use of color for healing dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations instinctively recognized the connection between color and well-being, incorporating this knowledge into their healing practices. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, were pioneers in chromotherapy. They built healing temples with colored rooms, strategically designed to expose individuals to specific hues for therapeutic purposes. The Egyptians associated different colors with different deities and believed that exposure to certain colors could balance the body's energies. Similarly, traditional Chinese medicine has long recognized the power of color in healing. The five-element theory, a fundamental concept in Chinese medicine, links specific colors to different organs and systems in the body. Practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine use color to restore balance and harmony within the body's energy system. Across the globe in India, Ayurvedic medicine also incorporates chromotherapy into its healing modalities. Ayurveda associates colors with the body's energy centers known as chakras and uses color therapy to balance and align these chakras. These ancient practices highlight the enduring belief in the power of color to influence our health and well-being. To understand chromotherapy, it's essential to grasp the fundamental relationship between light and color. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that travels in waves. These waves vary in length, and this variation in wavelength determines the color of light we perceive. The visible light spectrum, the range of colors that humans can see, is just a small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. This spectrum encompasses a range of colors, from the longest wavelengths of red to the shortest wavelengths of violet. When light strikes an object, the object absorbs certain wavelengths of light and reflects others. The wavelengths that are reflected determine the color we see. For example, a red apple appears red because it absorbs all wavelengths of light except for red, which it reflects back to our eyes. Our eyes play a crucial role in how we perceive color. Specialized cells in the retina, called cones, are responsible for color vision. There are 3 types of cones, each sensitive to a different range of wavelengths: short, blue; medium, green; and long, red. When light enters our eyes, these cones are stimulated to varying degrees, depending on the wavelengths of light present. The signals from these cones are then transmitted to the brain, where they are interpreted as color. This complex process of light reception, signal transduction, and brain interpretation allows us to experience the vibrant world of color around us. Section 5. Color frequencies. Vibrant energy at play. Every color has a unique frequency, a measure of how many waves of light pass a given point in a second. These frequencies are measured in hertz or Hz. Red, with the longest wavelength, has the lowest frequency, while violet, with the shortest wavelength, has the highest frequency. The other colors of the visible spectrum fall between these two extremes. Chromotherapy is based on the concept that these different color frequencies can have specific effects on our physical, emotional, and mental states. Just as sound frequencies can influence us, think of the calming effect of certain music or the energizing beat of a drum. Color frequencies can also impact our well-being. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms by which color frequencies influence us, proponents of chromotherapy believe that these frequencies interact with our own body's energy fields, promoting balance and harmony. Section 6. Scientific perspectives on chromotherapy. The scientific basis of chromotherapy is still an area of ongoing research. While anecdotal evidence and historical practices suggest that color can have therapeutic benefits, more rigorous scientific studies are needed to confirm these effects. Some studies have shown that exposure to certain colors can influence mood, heart rate, and even pain perception. For instance, blue light has been found to suppress melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep, while red light appears to stimulate melatonin production. However, it's important to note that not all studies have yielded conclusive results, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits and limitations of chromotherapy. Section 7. The mind-body connection. Color's influence on mood and emotion. Regardless of the scientific evidence, there's no denying that color has a powerful influence on our emotions and moods. We often associate certain colors with specific feelings or experiences. For example, blue is often associated with calmness and tranquility, while yellow is linked to happiness and optimism. Green evokes feelings of peace and renewal, while red is often associated with passion, energy, and even anger. While these associations can be influenced by cultural and personal experiences, there's evidence to suggest that our responses to color are rooted in our biology. The way our brains process color information is linked to our emotional centers, suggesting that color can have a direct impact on our moods and feelings. Section 8. Applications of chromotherapy. From ancient practices to modern medicine. Chromotherapy is used in a variety of settings, from holistic healing centers to hospitals and clinics. While the specific techniques and applications may vary, the underlying principle remains the same: to use the energy of color to promote balance and healing. Some common applications of chromotherapy include light therapy, using specific wavelengths of light to treat conditions such as seasonal affective disorder and sleep disorders. Color meditation, visualizing specific colors to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance emotional well-being. Color acupuncture, using colored lights or lasers to stimulate acupuncture points on the body. Color therapy and art therapy, using art materials and the act of creation to explore emotions and promote self-expression. It's important to note that chromotherapy should not be used as a replacement for conventional medical treatment. However, it can be a valuable complementary therapy to support overall well-being. Section 9. Chromotherapy in daily life. Simple ways to integrate color healing. You don't need to visit a therapist or purchase expensive equipment to experience the benefits of chromotherapy. Incorporate color healing into your daily life. Pay attention to the colors you surround yourself with. Choose calming colors like blue and green for your bedroom and energizing colors like yellow and orange for your workspace. Experiment with colored light bulbs. Use blue light for relaxation and red for a warm atmosphere. Wear clothing in colors that make you feel good. For energy, wear bright red. For stress, opt for calming blues or greens. Spend time in nature to experience the healing power of color. Be mindful of colors in your environment to enhance well-being. To Section 10. Conclusion: embracing the healing power of color. Color is an integral part of the human experience. It shapes our perceptions, influences our emotions, and even impacts our health. Chromotherapy, with its ancient roots and growing scientific interest, offers a fascinating lens through which to explore the profound ways in which color can enhance our lives. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms by which chromotherapy works, the historical practices, anecdotal evidence, and emerging scientific studies suggest that color can be a powerful tool for healing and well-being. Whether you're drawn to the ancient wisdom of chromotherapy or the scientific exploration of color's influence, there's no denying that color has a profound impact on us. By embracing the healing power of color, we can tap into a vibrant source of energy and support for our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. To know more about chromotherapy, please join Kemetic University at Kemetic.app.